parte 2, fazendo o bounty do trap. Se liga aí o vídeo. Ah, eu já ia me esquecendo. Curte e comenta.
I've been away way too long, but I'm home again long after I had done what I'd done. What's become of them? I thought their souls were gone. Something's wrong, so I need to put an end to everyone. 2, 3, 4. 5 nights, 5 innocent lives I took before their time. It's alright, I'll be fine, even though they died. A part of them survived, I'll make them unalive. It's alright, I'll be fine, safe inside. When you hide remains, what remains? Just a remnant of a soul.